Hello friends, hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn about autofilter feature in Excel. This feature is there in Microsoft Excel from quite few years, but still not that commonly used. So today we will explore this feature. Suppose we have the large data set where we have reached at the while doing some analysis we have reached at the middle or at the bottom of the data set and we found some value through which we want to filter the data. Suppose we found this error value, we want to filter the data. What we normally do, we go at the top of the data set, then we go to the data, we put the filter, click on the filter, then on the drop down, either we select that value. In the current scenario, it's not reflecting because the line items are more than thousands. It's showing that not all items are showing. So in that case, we normally type in search box as value. It takes some time, then it shows the value, then we click OK. Rather than doing this, there is an easy way. I'll just remove the filter. I'll again come to the at the bottom of my data set. To coming at any bottom of the data set, easy shortcut is control down arrow. Then we have this value. What I will do, I will go to this cell, I will just right click, then I will go to the option of filter, then I will select filter by cells value, selected cells value. So as soon as I click that, Excel automatically puts the filter and it gives only the values which have the errors. Now on this filter data set, if you want to see the values only for the France country, again the same procedure I will follow. I will come to any cell where France has been mentioned. I will just right click. I will go to the filter option and then filter by selected cells value. It will filter the data with the France country and with the error values. Now if you don't want to do this right click and select option, then there is one more easy way is there, just to add the auto filter command in your quick access toolbar. For the same, what we have to do, we just have to go at the top of the ribbon. Here we will see quick access toolbar. You have to just click here to customize quick access toolbar. Then we have to come to the more commands. By default, more commands will show the popular commands only. Our auto filter will reflect in commands not in the ribbon or all commands. We'll go select commands not in the ribbon. In this, you will find the auto filter here. Just select that auto filter, click on add. I've already added in my quick access toolbar. So I'll just press the OK. So once you can see here, auto filter is available now. So what I will do, I will just remove the filter, earlier filter. Okay. I will select any value. Again, suppose I'll select that value and I'll just click here as auto filter. This time rather than France, we'll select Mexico. Just click on the auto filter key. Okay, sometimes we found that some people don't like to use the mouse. They want the keyboard shortcuts. So for using these keyboard shortcuts, there is options. I'll remove the filter again. So suppose if I came to any value on this particular value, just you have to press Alt. As soon as you press the Alt button, you will see the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4. So our auto filter number is at 4. You just have to press 4 number. It will automatically put the filter for that particular value. Let's explore more on this auto filter. We have a data here. We have where we have the players and there are one day international runs. Okay, it's largest to smallest. We can find that the players which are either represented a single country and some of the players represented the country as well as other teams also. So we have some Asia ICC players also. So what we want, if we want to see the players who has represented only the ICC, we can use the wildcards. What is a wildcard? Here we can use asterisk, then ICC. Again, I will put the asterisk. I am putting the asterisk at the start and at the end. So if any ICC word has came in between, then automatically filter will select that data. So I will just right click here, the filter with cells value. Okay. Now automatically Excel is showing the players which are part of ICC team. On this existing filter, if we want to see any player who has the average greater than 40, so what we can do, we can just put here greater than 40 sign. On this, we will just do the again filter by cells value. So you can find the players. Five players are there which who has represented ICC and who has the average greater than 40. Similar way, we can use the different wildcard less than, greater than, and symbol, asterisk. different way you can explore more also. Okay, now one more feature is there. Filter is not limited only to the cell's value. Filter we can do with the cell color as well as cell font color also. So suppose if I select here two rows, then I'll just select one more few more rows with control, one or two rows here also. I will just highlight this with any particular color. Okay, and what I will do, I will just right click here. Then again go to the filter, filter with cells color. So automatically Excel will put the filter and it will select only the values which are there with the cell color. Hope you like this video. So next time whenever you are going to do any filtering data, please check out the auto filter. Thank you all.